What's up, guys? I wanna share with you why you need to film video content, why it's so important today. Let me share my story. In 2008 I was bankrupt completely. The world crisis destroyed my first financial company. That was good time, but when this crisis came to Ukraine, the government decided to disallow all banking laws, so I couldn't handle the process because my company helped customers to get these loans, and I decided to search for something new. My second business was an online shop. I decided to move online. That was good time as well. I could earn money to get back my debts, but in 2013 the Ukrainian revolution destroyed my second business, so I needed to move forward. I got experience. It's much better for me than anything else, and I jumped on creating my SEO agency that I have today, and my agency keeps growing. It doesn't matter what type of situation we have. Even right now in Ukraine we have the war, but I serve clients in the US, Canada, and many other countries. So yeah, that's hard, but we are going ahead. And that was interesting. When I started to promote my website, we spent a few years writing blog posts, guest posts, creating high quality content, because today for creating high quality valuable web content you need to have a team: copywriter, editor, designer, content manager, web developer, and SEO specialist, and all this team can work to create just one piece of content. But you know, at one time I decided I need to film videos, because if we think about the long plan strategy, it's important to start filming. That's why I decided to move on YouTube, and that was hard. In the first stage, for me, that was much better to break my leg than film a video. Yeah, I was a shy boy, but during some time, with perseverance, with filming a lot of videos, I could overcome all my fears, and right now you can see that I create a lot of video content. I usually submit content on TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and any other social media. I can choose formats: short, medium, long. It depends. I live stream with others because I know that all of this can help to find me customers. If we compare YouTube and Google, you can see that on YouTube it's much simpler to get results, because most content creators are still lazy to film videos. Just check it out. We have 1.8 billion websites online, but on YouTube only 30 millions YouTube channels. But you know, 2.6 billion people are using YouTube, and it's not hard to compete with them, because YouTube prefers to show in the top 10 results or recommend videos that get high engagement in 24 hours. That means you don't need to have a big team. You don't need to provide link building. Everything we need to do just to film and create awesome content. Let me help you how you can start. For example, you can see that I have my microphone. I have background, green wall, but you know, when I started, I only had my smartphone. That's it. Right now I can allow some more expensive equipment, but if you start from scratch, you don't need to buy it. Just use your smartphone. And what you need to do to film 100 videos: bad quality, forget about haters. I know these people on sofa, you know, they can tell you your content is not good, you can't help them, but don't care. What you need to do to film 100 bad videos for the sake of getting experience and confidence. When you film a lot, it doesn't matter. You can post this content. You just save for the memory on your smartphone, or remove it if you don't like it. But film a lot of videos, because I remember when PewDiePie filmed 100 videos, he got only 285 subscribers. Not a lot. Mr. Beast spent 1.5 years to get first 1,000 subscribers. You can see see, Mr. Beast has 110 million subscribers. PewDiePie. Mr. Beast has almost 100 million subscribers. I think he will get 100 million as well. But you know, all these guys just love what they do. They didn't give up. So if you wanna love what you do, you need to find your loving format. For example, I started to film long videos. You can film short videos because it brings high engagement on LinkedIn, TikTok, or Facebook. You can create long videos for courses, for your website, YouTube, Vimeo, or any other social media. Just find your loving format and submit content in one social media. Don't try to cover all social media. Okay, today I can do it. I can submit my content everywhere because I have a team. But if you start from scratch, you need to choose just one social media and try to get engagement there. When you have the first engagement, when you have results, when you can monetize your efforts, you can increase your team, you can hire some specialists and go ahead. The second reason why many content creators are failing because they want to get first quick results. You know, it doesn't exist. I mentioned about PewDiePie and Mr. Beast, but if you want to go today, you need to have patience. Just film a lot and engage with others. It's better to spend 80% of your time to attract and engage with others. Find the related content, influencers in your niche, and leave your comments. Don't write something like this, thank you, it's a good stuff. It doesn't work. What you need to do to share additional value, because their followers usually read comments, and when they get value from your comments, they want to get more value. And that's why I usually write 100 comments a day. If you start from scratch, you need to do it. You can see that I have 93,000 followers on LinkedIn. I have 11,000 subscribers on my YouTube. My Ukrainian channel has 36,000 subscribers because of the patience of filming content and engaging with others. If you have additional money, you can set up paid ads. It works well. Many content creators, they usually pay Google to get additional views to YouTube, and when they have awesome content, people subscribe to their channels, and when they have loyal audience, they can add their new videos, and their loyal audience will engage this content and provide more insights. Because you know, most social media platforms, they usually check out how your video works in the first few hours. YouTube can check out 24 hours. So what you need to do, just to think how you can bring more audience in the first stage. You can ask your friends, colleagues to leave a comment after posting a new video. But what you need to do to engage with others. If you engage with others, you can get much higher results. And you know, today most customers watch videos before buying any products. So if you wanna cover them, you need to film, and results will come. I promise you. Be patient with your results. Don't wait for quick results. Don't build high expectations. Just go ahead, step by step, and I will promise you, results will come. Okay, guys, let me know what you think. Comment below. Ask me anything in the comment sections. I will reply to all of them. Leave comment. Ask me, please, anything. And share this content with your friends. Let me know if you are going to film 100 videos. You can share your videos on my YouTube channel, on my LinkedIn. Leave your comment. You know, I never remove any links in my comments because I know it helps others to grow their efforts, you know, to grow their channels. Okay, guys, let me know what you think. Comment below, ask me anything. Love you. See you next time.